Hello friends from abroad. My name is百林from Yantai, Shandong, China. Thank you for your support and encouragement. Now I would like to introduce my architectural work to you. This is the model of the concept nuclear power architectural of C99A. Okay, let me demonstrate. Four table fan engines can take off directly. Flame shield radius. Electromagnetic ejection. Force is very strong. Aircraft left proper. This is airplane barrier. Chinese national flag is very beautiful. I love China. Nuclear power propeller is very powerful. This is anti-submarine helicopter takeoff. Bottom angle left. Diminished rocket engine boost. Oh my god, it's moving! Woo! This is intercontinental missile. Let me know in the comment section if you have any comments. Thank you very much.